one of the things that is sort of reassuring is that John Williams University in St. Louis here in the United States did a number of studies with lots of different cleaning products. And as long as you're following manufacturer instructions, you don't need some specialized cleaning product. Most things kill it. Most of the things we typically use. And so I'll check that with you. Like in the United States, you have to use a disinfectant that has 70% alcohol or higher, or a hydrogen peroxide based, or a hypochlorite or chlorine base, which is a bleach-based product. So you can do something, and one of the things that's interesting is when you look at contact times, like alcohol needs to sit wet on a surface for 11 minutes.
Oh, really?
To wipe out most pathogens, it has to be wet for a really long time. And I don't really know with hydrogen peroxide because I haven't used a lot of it. But with bleach, like with a hypochlorite wipe, I'm not saying do a bleach solution because it smells too strong and it's too dangerous to work with it. But you can get a Clorox bleach wipe that's hospital grade. You can wipe down a surface with it, and it literally only needs to be damp for 4 minutes to kill COVID dead. So that is your best bet. And with your massage table, your face cradle is the real concern because it's all around people's, we know, like they slobber on the face cradle cover, they get a snotty nose all over it. I mean, it's wonderfully disgusting because they're just loving it. So it's good.
Yeah, they're drooling on the table.
Don't take that and wipe your face with it. That would be bad. So I think that face cradle, we really need to carefully clean it. And that means either cover it with some sort of a plastic protective cover so that you can wipe it down with a bleach-based wipe in between clients, and make sure you get all the surfaces of that really clean, and get a big plastic table protector to put over the surface of your table. Take off all the fluffy cloth stuff that we love and just keep it really simple. I say, dejunk, decrease your sanitation burden. And just like you say, get things off of your table, because respiratory droplets can land on dust, and then when you're fanning and moving all the air around, they can be redispersed with the dust into the air and inhaled. So keep your places dust free. Like that big ceiling fan, get up there and dust it every other day. Keep dust away.